Hello everyone, we have two major updates in the WealthView. Since we launched the family portfolio option 2 weeks ago, many users requested primarily on two fronts. First part was that they wanted deeper, insightful analytics in the family view, and second part is users also wanted to and requested for ETF tracking as well. So now both these things are live. So once you jump to family WealthView by clicking here, you can see that now you have firstly the consolidated analysis. So basically how the holdings are. So total how much money is invested into stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, and also top stock holdings, mutual fund holdings, and ETF holdings. And now deeper analytics is live. So let's say you want to do the consolidated analysis stock of the stock portfolio. So click on this consolidated view and then click on view analysis. And as you can see, this is a consolidated comprehensive analysis of the portfolio that is constituent of all the family members. Right. So as you can see here, this is the scores, this is the P ratio, PB ratio, total number of stocks, asset allocation. So just the way you have deeper analytics for individual portfolio, now you have the analytics for the consolidated portfolio as well. So sector, industry group, industries, and then you can look at the complete breakup. So in this donut chart, you won't be able to see all the sectors. So top five are visible there, but if you want to do the deeper analytics, you can click on this complete sector breakup. And then style box analysis, then you have your current holdings, your weightages, and the quantity. And again, this is very useful in consolidated analysis as well. So let's say if there are three members and all three of them are, are invested in, let's say, Hindustan consolidated level, what is the weightage of each of your stock? So that analysis is also live. And similarly, we have also the deeper analytics of the consolidated mutual funds. So the way you analyze your uh, individual mutual fund portfolio, now you can analyze your family portfolio as well. So again, I'll jump to family wealth first, then look at the analysis. So it will take a second to load. Yeah, and as you can see, this is consolidated MF portfolio analytics. Again, all the data points that you have for individual mutual fund, now you have for the consolidated portfolio as well. Right? So deeper analytics of both stock and MF portfolio is live. And another thing that we would like to highlight is the ETF investments are also live. So now, as you can see, I've already connected the ETFs, and if I switch to family wealth view, consolidated ETF analytics is also live. So if I click on view analysis, you will be able to see all your ETFs in the portfolio. So there are total 8 ETFs. This is the PE, this is average expense ratio, then asset allocation, then sector allocation, category allocation, and AMC allocation. So very useful data points. So now the WealthView as a tool has become more complete compared to the iteration before, because now you have both deeper analytics for both individual portfolio as well as a consolidated family portfolio for all three asset classes: stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. So if you have not used this updated WealthView, then go and connect your ETF portfolio and start analyzing. Thank you.